Again, welcome to the fall semester. This is fall 2020. Our course is DSRT 734 class. And the title of the course is Inferential Statistics in Decision Making. So this course will focus on the main three branches of statistics. That is the descriptive, probability, and inferential statistics. Again, this is the course homepage. So I will advise you the first thing we should look at is the home page, which is the announcement section. Here I have a welcome announcement and also week one announcement. The welcome announcement is just again introduction of the instructor, which is me. Again, my name is Dr. Charles Sediki. I have my PhD in information technology. My dissertation is based on data mining, machine learning, and bioinformatics concepts. So again, I use a classification algorithm and also statistics learning algorithms to analyze again a biological data set, which is a breast cancer data set. So as I said earlier by this course, we are going to focus on three parts of statistics. So some of the topics written here on the description, we will go through graphical description of data. For example, frequency distribution, histogram, how we can visualize data. The goal of using the graph again is to organize your data. So example, a frequency distribution or a frequency table, histogram, the main goal of it is to organize our data. Then we'll move on to the descriptive statistics. So one of the topic here is a measure of a location and then dispersion. So measure of a location will be the mean, median, mode, again, the central tendency. Dispersion will be the variation of the data. For example, how to find the range, variance, standard deviation, etc. Also, we'll talk about box plots, quartiles, etc. And that's part of the descriptive statistics. Then we move on to probability. We will discuss about different types of discrete and also continuous random variables and also their distributions. For example, we have at least three major descriptive distributions we're going to discuss, such as binomial, hypergeometry, and also uniform distribution. Also continuous distribution, we're going to discuss about normal distribution and also exponential, etc. So also we move from there, we move on to, that's with the probability. From there, we move on to inferential statistics, where we're going to talk about the sampling distribution, confidence interval, hypothesis testing, estimation. Also, we're going to talk about non-parametric tests. So that will be the general idea of the course content. And the course duration starts from August 24th, which is this Monday, till December 11th, the end of the course. The textbook is very important, so I will encourage everybody to get a textbook. Again, I will go through the syllabus in a second, but this is the textbook name, Exploratory Statistics. The ISBN number is here, so this is a required textbook. Also, possibly we should also get the APA textbook because we're going to write some couple of papers in this course. So again, the formatting of our papers, even in your dissertation with our institution, they use the APA format. So if you already have an APA format textbook or reference for it, that's fine. But if you don't have it, then it's good to get the APA manual, publication manual for APA. But again, it's not required. But most important textbook, most of all the assignment, the course structure is based on the textbook, which is the exploratory statistics. The ISBN number is here. The author is Chris Sparks. So again, this is the announcement session. Every week at least, I may have two posts. The beginning of the course, for example, we start with week one. I have week one announcement. I may discuss about the reading assignment, and also the written, the discussion board, the due date, everything is here, and also the total points that each wrote. And sometimes, based on our objective of each week, I may have some few lectures explaining the topic we are going to cover for the week. So this is our week one announcement. Again, the first week, we have only week one announcement, but from second week, I may have week two announcement in the beginning. Then I may have a midweek announcement, maybe announce about the assignment, the steps to follow, and also the grading. If I grade any work finish, I may announce that I posted the grade. So again, that's the description of the course. And now let's go to the syllabus. So I'm going to click on syllabus link. Actually, before I go to syllabus, I will click on the content. This is where we're going to have all our weekly materials. So please start with the get started. We have some instruction here. Again, I have the welcome message again, but again, you can go through the APA guidelines. There's so if you don't want to buy the textbook and you feel this guideline will be enough for you, that's great. There's also a link to Purdue. That's a very nice references for APA. We also have a dissertation handbook. Again, since the book is related to dissertation course, it's a prerequisite before you start your dissertation, so very good. Graduate catalog is here to look through the requirements. And also we talk about the academic writing guide, where you can get the help, etc. I also have the course syllabus here. So when you click on this, you can download the course syllabus if you want to. So this is the course syllabus. But also we have the link for the course syllabus, which is the read only. So if you want to download the course syllabus, I will suggest you click. Again, you go to the content one more time. Then you click on get started. Then you see the link of the course syllabus. Otherwise, again, we have the course syllabus on the syllabus tab also, which is what I'll go through. So I'll go back to the content. Now, this is just the get started. Our weekly basis, you will see the content announcement. So week one, I start with announcement again. The same announcement in the announcement section. Always I post announcement in two places, the announcement home page and also the weekly folder. So this is week one folder. We have the announcement, we have the topic, and also I'll post video lectures weekly. So this week we're going to cover our textbook chapter 1, 2, and 3. So I have again the link. I have the video for those 3 chapters. I also have a YouTube channel. So I have most of all these video lectures in my YouTube channel. So again, I may post some materials, which I think is important, especially when you reach the exams time. Our first assignment is here, Syllabus Quiz and UC Plagiarized Purge. So Syllabus Quiz, please go through the syllabus before you answer this, you do this assignment. This assignment is due on Wednesday. So if you look at the announcement section, I have the academic honesty purge, sign, and a syllabus quiz. It's due on Wednesday, August 26th. All you need to do here is go through the assignment, then answer only 2 questions. Most important is the evaluation, grading policy. So you answer those questions. But our discussion, again, our first initial discussion, every week, our first initial discussion we do on Wednesdays. So Wednesday, you have to post at least 1 discussion by Wednesday. Then you post the remaining 2 response. So the main discussion will be the answer to the discussion forum. Then you post 2 response. The response can be from your fellow students or from the instructor. It doesn't matter. So the total points is 25 points. Now, if you late for the initial discussion thread, let's say instead of Wednesday, you posted it on Friday, which means 2 days late, and there will be 2 points deduction each day after Wednesday. So this means if I posted it on Friday, then I have 4 points deduction, 2 points Thursday, 2 points on Friday. Again, the syllabus quiz, you see that it's only 5 points. Again, the main goal of this quiz is to make sure everybody go through the syllabus and understood the requirement for this course, what I'm expecting from you and what you are expecting from me. So it's very important to go through the syllabus. So I think that I'll end it here. Again, I'll click on the content tab. Same thing, we have the week 2, week 3, etc. So every week you will see this. Now, most important is the syllabus. So I'll go through the syllabus. Again, this is the course name, Inferential Statistics in Decision Making. Our semester is for 2020. This is a full term and it's a hybrid. So again, we have residency requirements. The residency will take place in October 9 to 11. At the moment, we have the residency at the North Kentucky campus. Again, we all know what is going on around the world with the pandemic, COVID-19. Last semester, again, we have our residency online. So at the moment, this is what we have. So we wait and see the update from the school. But at the moment, our residency will be October 9 to October 11, which will take place in North Kentucky campus. Again, I have the instructor information, my name and my email. And the best way to communicate with me will be the email. Also have my cell phone number. So in case you need an answer very urgent, you need a very quick answer, then I'll tell you to give me a call or you can also text me. Office hours will be by appointment. Again, this is online course, virtual. So it depends your need. We can set up office hour whereby we can use the Zoom if I have to explain some materials to you. If it's about something that we can also use the telephone, then we can use the telephone. So we have an option either the telephone or the Zoom for office hour. But again, the office hour in this course is by appointment. Again, this is the course description. We already went through that. Again, we're going to cover almost everything about statistics, the basic concept from we start with descriptive, probability, and inferential statistics. Our textbook is around 16 chapters. We are going to cover every chapter in the textbook. The first week, again, is a very starting of statistics. So we are covering 3 chapters, 1 and 2 and 3. So the course objective, in summary, again, you can read this section, but in summary, we are hoping that after you finish this course, you should be able to have a sound knowledge in doing statistics analysis, or being able to use the techniques of testing the data or analyzing the data using any of the techniques we are going to learn in this course. Again, we have the textbook. As I said earlier, the exploring statistics is required. It's required. Follow the book chapter by chapter for the course materials. The manual for APA is not required. Again, we saw the link in the Get Started folder. There's a link for APA references online. That should be enough. But if you need a book also, again, you can get the book. So requirement and policies, we know our institution, again, this is a graduate course. So plagiarism, academic integrity is a very important issue in a graduate level course. So cheating, lying, plagiarism, there's a penalty for that. You can read that section. Attendance policy also, this is online course, but we prefer that again, at least every week by Wednesday or even before Wednesday, you should be able to post your first discussion thread. Very important. The goal here is that we all want to, again, have a good grade. So you don't want to be late on you don't want to lose points that is easy to get. So we also have the executive residence attendance policy. We will discuss that during the residency period. Normally, the residency starts from Friday to Sunday. Friday evening, somewhere around 5 p.m. We may bring out the schedule, everything. And also, as I said earlier, we are not sure if the residency will be online or it will be North Kentucky. Officially, we have it on North Kentucky campus now. We also, the school have a disability accommodations. If you know you have any problem with, again, acquiring the materials here, knowledge, again, contact the email addresses here. Again, contact the Office of Disability Accommodations. For any reason, if you are not satisfied with your grade, you always have an option for academic appeal. So again, here we say both undergrad and graduate students have the right to challenge a grade. That's the university policy. Also, we have the student responsibilities. As we said earlier, we already explained the requirement for the course. The evaluation will go there in a few minutes. But this policy is, again, is the school's policy. So participate in the course regularly is very important. Discussion thread, and be sure. Also submit your assignment in time so that you don't lose any point. Assignment also, every 1 day late is 5% from the assignment. Every 1 day late for discussion is 2 points. So also we have the course policy here. I will urge you to go through the course policies. And the course evaluation, I put everything in red. And this is the most important. So for example, we're going to have 3 quizzes. Each quiz is 50 points. Then we have 2 articles, 1 page each. We are going to evaluate quantitative and also 1 qualitative research article. That's 50 points also. Also, we're going to have a practical connection assignment. That will be a written assignment. Also, is 50 points. Then we have the comprehensive midterm exam, 125 points. Comprehensive final exam, 125 points. Also, discussion board weekly. The weekly discussion is, we have 16 weeks. So in this course, we're going to have a weekly discussion from week 1 to week 16. So 25 points each, 16 weeks, that will give us 400 points. Then we have a weekly short assignment. We're going to have somewhere around 8, each will be 25 points, and it's 200. So when you add all this together, you can see we have 2, 4, which is 600, and 600 plus 250, that will give us 850. And then 850, this will give us 50, 50, and 50 again. So together, the total points for this course is 1,000. And the grade will be based on percentage. Each week, we will see the course schedule. For example, as we said, we will start this Monday, August 24th. We start with week 1. So our main reading is chapter 1, 2, and 3. We have a discussion. It will be a welcome discussion. Then we take the syllabus quiz. Syllabus quiz is due on Wednesday. After that, all our assignments till the end of the course is due on Sundays at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. Again, the school uses Eastern Time, so we are going to use the Eastern Time. So this is the course schedule. Each week, we may see our objective. For example, week 2, we may do 2 chapters, chapter 4 and 5. Then we're going to review chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, because the following week we are going to have our, again, a quiz. So again, and also I will be posting announcements. So you'll see the announcement, the quiz, the discussion, the assignment, the article, rating assignment, everything. So again, that's week 2, week 3, goes on till the end. Also have a syllabus disclaimer here. Again, most of all the materials in this syllabus can be changed or can be updated or modified for some reasons. that will benefit both of us. So example of a modification can be the residency. Residency in the syllabus now say the North Kentucky. But as the issue is going on with the pandemic, maybe it will be modified to online section. So again, that will be the end of the introduction here. I welcome everybody to this class. Again, if you have a question about the assignment or the course in general, I will urge you to ask me first, ask the instructor. Now, if I cannot help you, then you take it to the next step, which will be the chair or the program director for this course. Yeah. So again, wish everybody good luck and thank you.